Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning this men's short sleeve shirt into a shirred crop top. So let's get into it. First, I cut the bottom of the shirt off to give it a straight edge so it was easier to work with. Next, I measured and marked how long I wanted my top to be. I decided 10 inches, but this is up to personal preference. I then joined these marks with a straight line and cut this out. Then open up your shirt and create a new hem along the top and bottom by folding the edges over about ½ inch. Pin this in place, then sew where you've pinned. Next, I cut the buttons off the shirt as this would make it easier for the shirring process. I then decided how much of my shirt I wanted to be shirred. I left ½ inch at the top and 1 inch at the bottom. The rest of the shirt will be shirred. Before I started sewing, I changed my bobbin thread for an elastic thread, set the tension on my sewing machine to 8 and chose the longest straight stitch setting. This would give me the shirred look I wanted. Then I sewed straight lines all the way across the shirt, with the right side facing up so the elastic thread would be on the inside once the shirt was on. When I had finished sewing each line, I made sure to tie the threads together to stop them coming undone, as backstitching isn't needed. Here I am showing you how it will look after sewing half of the shirt. Once the whole shirt was done, it looked like this on the outside and this on the inside. Then, with the right sides together, pin the ends of your shirt together and sew where you've pinned. Make sure to change your bobbin back to a normal thread. After this, the shirt was complete and this is how it looked. This make was very easy to do, but it is quite time consuming and you will need a sewing machine. However, I hope you agree it's worth spending the time on as it creates a great versatile look for the summer. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.